If you have a local business and you're interested in looking into mobile solutions, you may get confused by the different options available. Don't worry, we're going to keep this simple and straight to the point and break down the difference between a mobile website and a mobile application and how they can benefit your business. A mobile website is very much like any website you see on the internet, the main difference being it's optimized for mobile devices. Now, this can make it much easier for use for people on the move. The main issue for mobile websites is they can't use many of the phone's native features. Now, some of these features can play a massive role in your business. A mobile application can do everything your mobile website can do and loads more. Now, what makes mobile applications more powerful is that they can tap in and utilize all the phone's functionality as the application is stored on your mobile phone. Now, here's the most important part. Distinguishing the difference between a mobile app and a mobile website for a local business is all down to the way your customers come to find them. A mobile website is usually found when your customers go through a search engine or clicks on a direct link through referrals. A mobile application works most effectively when used inside your business. So, when your customers come in, you get them to download your mobile application, and using the native functions like push notifications and loyalty cards, you can remarket to your already proven to buy customers. This is where most business owners make the mistake of thinking they only need one mobile website is vital to make sure your customers can find you in the first place. The mobile application is essential, so you can remarket to those customers once they come into your store. The combination of the two will bring in a consistent stream of fresh leads and will make your customers come back into your store more often. These are two of the most effective and proven ways to raise your monthly revenue.